This is how I built a six-figure business with zero investments, and you could do the same exact thing. Guess what though? This side hustle isn't even gonna be my main gig. It's just a stepping stone for something way bigger. You wanna know what it is? Stick around and find out. So what if I told you that one random favor for a good friend of mine turned into this six-figure business? What if I told you that that same six-figure business within the course of 12 months retired my wife and allowed her to stay home with the kids? But what if I also told you that all of this started when I hit rock bottom? Because a little over a year ago, I was forced to sell my first home, the home that I brought my kids into. And when you're forced to do something like that, it shakes you up. It gets you into a corner where you say, screw it. Let's see what happens. And what happened next? Completely changed my life. Now, you see, a little over a year ago, things were not looking, how do I say this? Good. Financially, I was backed into a corner so bad. Mentally, man, I felt like I was letting everyone down, especially my family. Emotionally, I was stuck, going through the motions, but not getting anywhere. But then I got a call from my good friend. He said,
"Yo bro, could you film a quick video testimonial for me? I need one for a sunglass brand. Could you just film it like in your car, going over like the benefits and why you like them so much?"
Now at the time, I didn't think too much of this. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? So I grabbed my phone, jumped in the car, and started talking. No fancy lighting, no script, no editing. Just a real raw testimonial of why I like these shades. And that's it, sent it over. Look, I had no idea this was even a thing that brands would pay for. And then something crazy happened. A week later, my friend called me back.
Yo, so the owners actually really love the video. They want to hire you on for another round. Do you mind doing one for like $150 a video?
Huh, 150 for 30 seconds of video. Sign me up. So I shot a video and another, and then an email came through from the owner of the brand asking me if I wanted to do a 6-month contract, $400 per video, 10 videos per month. My mind was blown. 10 30-second videos of something I like, and this guy is willing to pay me $4,000 a month for the next 6 months? And that is when the light bulb moment happened. What if I got a couple more retainer deals? Now, wouldn't that be nice? What if I could turn this into a real business? And so the work began. What I now do is called user-generated content, or UGC for short. You've probably heard about this or seen videos all across TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are, as long as you have a smartphone and there's ads running. So what you do, you pick a brand, a product that you love already, something that you have around the house. Shoot a video about this. Create good, honest content. First off, send this to the brand for free just to get the ball rolling. If you're confident in your craft, they will come back. Third, get paid. No crazy skills, no big following, no expensive equipment. Just you, your personality, and your phone. And the demand is insane, especially for us guys. You see, brands need content. Good content from people like you and me, regular guys. It doesn't matter what you look like. The more authentic you look to what you're selling, the better. Brands hate filming themselves. They hate dealing with content. And to be honest, they hate dealing with agencies as well because most of them suck. You see, brands will pay you to do all of that. Make the content scripted, edit, send it back. They just post. And before I knew it, I was making $6,000, $9,000, $16,000 months. This blew my mind because this was way more than I'd made as a personal trainer, making $20 an hour, working 5-6 hours a day, back to back, 5 days a week. This is way more than I thought was possible, me holding up a camera, shooting videos. And in less than a year, I was able to retire my wife and allow her to stay home with our kids and have full control over their education and their mind and their future. Now let me just say this, it wasn't all smooth sailing, not at all. First off, I was undercharging way too much in the beginning. Second, I had no contracts. I didn't know how to negotiate deals. I didn't know how to talk to brands to come off professional. I didn't know how to track and keep systems. But here is what did work. I built a strong portfolio that shows variety in what I could do as a creator for these brands. Outreach every single day, creating spec ads, sending out freebies, try to turn gifted work into paid collabs, and most importantly, treating UGC like an actual business. If you want to make money like this, it's not a side hustle anymore. And because I took it serious, I started getting paid way more. I cut back on the amount of clients and got fewer, more serious retainer deals. And before I knew it, brands had seen me on other ads and now started reaching out to me. So I didn't have to run after brands anymore. And that's the point where you want to get to. Now let me just say this, real abundantly clear. UGC is not my end game. I don't want to be doing this forever. However, it gave me financial freedom, time with my family, and the skills and capital needed to launch new ventures and moving forward. Because here's the thing, even though UGC is amazing, I still have to wake up and press record. I still have to cut these videos up. I still have to deal with clients, right? I'm not free. I'm not 100% free because my ultimate goal is 50K a month passive income. Like money that is stuck in bonds backed by the government at 5%, paying you 50K a month forever, kind of safe. Building a business that I can sell, something to be proud of, and launching a company, something that I can stand behind 100%, that actually makes a difference in the world. And check this, as this video is going up, I am actively raising capital for 2 different companies that I'm partnered in currently. And get this, the money for these deals are coming through contacts that I've gotten to know through UGC. So it all came full circle. It's still going and I'm not stopping, but I just thought I'd share this because to me, this is really cool. It got me out of a really dark place. My confidence is at a 10 right now, and I'm getting all these new connections, all these new friends, all these new opportunities coming my way. Honestly, all of this comes down to your mindset. Are you down to do it? Do you want to try something new or not? Are you not happy with where you're at currently? Then maybe try something new. So if you take anything away from this video right here, don't wait. You see, if I never posted that first video, if I never took the leap, if I let the fear of other people judging me stop me, I wouldn't be where I am today. So just try. Stop overthinking. Stop overcomplicating. And just do it. Stop doubting yourself. You are capable of way more than you give yourself credit for. Just start. And who knows, maybe that video will be your video that leads to a whole new life where you actually thrive, you're happy, and you're proud of yourself. So hit subscribe if you want to see how my journey is going. I would like to stay in touch with you and see how you guys are doing. So drop it in the comments. What's holding you back from living your dream life or from going all in on that one thing that you think might change your life? What's holding you back?